Hey chickies, I hope you're all doing okay out there. Now today we are doing an apricot marble, which is so easy, you could do it with your eyes closed. I really hope you like it. Let's get into it. The polish I'm using today is from my new range. It's called Apricot Pie and it is just so delicious. It is creamy and it's just yummy. So we're starting off with just one coat. It's not opaque in one coat, it's opaque in two mediums, like medium style coats. So it's absolutely beautiful, but for the purposes of this marble effect we're doing, which is so easy, we're just doing one coat to start with. Let that completely dry. Now I'm using a stamper. You've seen me do these squishies before. They're so easy, not a problem at all, but I will say I did make one small mistake, or one large mistake, with the first one. The first nail that I did, my ring fingernail, I didn't use any latex. I don't know why I did this. I didn't use any latex to protect the skin around my nails at first with this one, but what are you going to do? Anyway, you've seen me do these squishies before. They're so easy. You just put the polish onto the stamper and then squish it onto your nail. Now on the next nail, I saw the error of my way and put some liquid latex on the skin around my nails first. Let that dry, and then you come in with the polish onto the stamper. I used white as well, and I just think this just looks so delicious. I love doing these sorts of manis because they're so easy. They don't require a lot of effort, not even a little bit of effort, to be honest. And they usually, almost always, I don't think I've ever had a bad one. They almost always look so cool and really unique, and every nail is going to be completely different. So I really like it. Now once you've taken off your liquid latex, you'll have a little bit of cleanup to do. Now obviously this is all cleanup, so for those of you who don't enjoy a cleanup porn, please skip ahead now. For those of you who do, enjoy. I usually if there's pooled polish around the cuticle area, like to take that off pretty much straight away, because that can be really hard to remove once it's dry. But generally speaking, my cleanup happens after it's almost dry. I do find that you get a better a better finish if the polish on your nail that you're cleaning up is drier, or dry-ish. Finish off this nail, I decided to use a little bit of gold leaf. I've had this for years. I can't even remember the name of the company I bought it from, but I'm pretty sure you can get this from eBay, from any nail art store that you usually go to. Most of them sell sort of gold leaf. So basically we're going to use a couple of tweezers to tear it up, because my nails are quite short, so I needed to get some really sort of smallish pieces, but you don't need a lot. And yeah, so I'm just using 2 tweezers to rip them apart. It just is easier that way than using your fingers, otherwise you can end up with it everywhere. So, and oh, try not to breathe too much. Don't breathe heavily over your gold leaf, because it will literally fly away. Once you have your pieces the sizes that you want, you can go ahead and add some top coat to your beautiful design, and then just add little bits of the flaked gold onto your nail wherever you want to put them. You don't want to use too many, but you do want, you want it to be noticeable that it's there. then once you're happy with your design, you want to go ahead and seal it in with your favorite top coat. And that's it for this one. I really hope you liked it. I absolutely love this. I wore it for a few days because I was in love with it so much. Now, don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned for some more news about my new collection, which is going to be coming out really soon. I'm just so excited about it, and I hope you will be too. Thank you very much. All right then, I'm going now. Bye.